Hey, what's up, babe?
Hey,
You
Joe.
want a walking guitar?
Be careful, don't hit
Because
me with
it's
that.
so fun when I went on your tour. Anyways, speaking of you and me,
Because I think we should always be together, honey.
and,
Yeah.
I just need to ask you,
Yes?
will you marry me? I
Oh
got
my
you
gosh.
a moon ring, and, it, like, changes colors, so, like, pinky and
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I totally accept. Oh my gosh. I love you.
I know.
Kevin.
What do you mean by Kevin? That's my brother.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Oh my goodness, Kevin was right. You are dating him.
Excuse me. I have bodyguards watching over there, so if you want to move the guitar, then you go ahead.
I have bodyguards too, you know.
Yeah, but if you hit me, my bodyguards will, like, beat up.
But I mean, how could you, like, cheat on me?
I'm sorry, I don't know what came over me. I really do love you.
I believe you. Can I just have a big warm hug? Because it's so cold out here.
It is cold.
Oh, the camera's still on.
Oh.
Just turn it off, please.
Yeah, everyone's on privacy.
Yeah, let's go.